Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. This is going to be your second lesson, and in this lesson we will discuss unit number 6. Dear students, in our previous lesson we have studied matter and states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Now we are going to start our next lesson. So let's move. So the material required for this lesson is pencil, highlighter, ruler, blue pen, blue marker, along with your textbook Miracles of Science and science notebook. And today you will also need your winter pack that has been provided by the educators. Dear students, I hope you collect that all these things and you are ready for this lesson. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to investigate the effect of heat on particle motion during a change in state. Demonstrate and explain the processes that are involved in the change of state. Dear students, please open your science book and come to page number 68. Dear students, write today's task, day and date at the top of the page. Today our topic is movement of particles in matter. Particles of matter move about all the time. A Swedish scientist named Robert Brown noticed that pollen grains moved jerkily when placed in water. The zigzag motion of particles is called Brownian motion. मैटर के पार्टिकल्स हर वक्त इधर उधर मूव करते रहते हैं। रॉबर्ट ब्राउन नामी एक स्वीडिश साइंसदान ने ये देखा कि जब पोलन ग्रेन्स पानी में रखे जाते हैं तो ये झटके से इधर उधर मूव करते हैं। पार्टिकल्स के जिगजैग मोशन को ब्राउनियन मोशन कहा जाता है। Dust particles are knocked about by moving particles of air. Observe a beam of light coming into a dark room through a slit in the curtains. Millions of dust particles will be seen dancing about in the beam of light. Dear students, आप observe करें कि एक dark room है और वहां कर्टन से एक बीम ऑफ लाइट आ रही है। बीम ऑफ लाइट में लाखों की तादाद में आपको डस्ट पार्टिकल्स नजर आएंगे। पोलन ग्रेन्स इन वार्म वाटर। Sprinkle some pollen grains on the surface of warm water in a dish. The pollen grains will appear to be dancing on the surface of the water. अजीज तलबा और तालिबात, आप एक डिश में गर्म पानी लें, फिर पोलन ग्रेन्स को गर्म पानी में छिड़कें। पोलन ग्रेन पानी की सरफेस पर तैरते हुए नजर आएंगे। Mixing of particles. Put a drop of green ink into a cylinder containing colored water. The green color of the ink will spread evenly in the water. The particles of ink move about as well as those of the water. The particles of ink fill the spaces between the water particles and so the water appears pink. This mixing of particles is called diffusion. एक सिलेंडर लें और उसमें कलर्ड वाटर डालें। एक ग्रीन इंक का ड्रॉप आप उस सिलेंडर में डालें। इंक का ग्रीन कलर पानी में फैल जाएगा। इंक के पार्टिकल्स पानी के साथ साथ हरकत करेंगे। ऐसे इंक के पार्टिकल्स स्पेसेस को फिल करेंगे जो पानी के पार्टिकल्स के दरमियान पाई जाती है और इस तरह पानी पिंक कलर का हो जाएगा। इस प्रोसेस को डिफ्यूजन कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्यारे बच्चों, आप एक टी बैग लें और उसको गर्म पानी के कप में डाल दें। टी बैग के अंदर जो टी होगी उसका कलर पानी में डिफ्यूज हो जाएगा और उसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा। इस प्रोसेस को हम डिफ्यूजन कहते हैं। चेंज ऑफ स्टेट। At room temperature, a substance remains in its original state. When a substance is heated or cooled, a change of state occurs. When the particles of matter absorb or lose energy, their movement is affected and the spaces between them either increase or decrease. This results in a change of state. रूम टेम्परेचर पे सब्सटेंस अपनी असली हालत में रहता है. जब सब्सटेंस को गर्म या ठंडा किया जाता है तब उसकी हालत बदलती है. जब मैटर के पार्टिकल्स तवानाई एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं या लूज करते हैं तो उनकी मूवमेंट मुतासिर होती है और उनके दरमियान एम्प्टी स्पेस में या तो इजाफा होता है या कमी होती है. इसको चेंज ऑफ स्टेट कहते हैं. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ हीट ऑन मैटर. Expansion. When a substance is heated, its particles gain energy and start moving faster. They bump into each other at a faster rate. This makes the substance increase in volume or size. This increase in size is called expansion. Dear students, जब किसी substance को गर्म करते हैं तो उनके पार्टिकल्स एनर्जी हासिल करते हैं और तेजी से मूव करते हैं. वो तेजी से आपस में टकराते हैं जिसकी वजह से साइज इंक्रीज हो जाता है. इस साइज के इंक्रीज होने को एक्सपेंशन कहते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. When a substance is cooled, its particles lose energy and their speed slows down. This brings them closer to each other and their volume or size decreases. This decrease in size is called contraction. Dear students, जब किसी सब्सटेंस को ठंडा करते हैं तो उसके पार्टिकल्स एनर्जी को लूज कर देते हैं और उनकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाती है. ऐसे वो एक दूसरे के करीब हो जाते हैं और उनका वॉल्यूम और साइज दोनों डिक्रीज हो जाता है. इस डिक्रीज होने को कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं. Melting. When a solid is heated, its particles absorb energy and start moving faster. They bump into each other at a faster rate and start moving away from their original positions. When this happens, the substance increases in volume or expands. When the substance is heated further, it expands more till it reaches the melting point when it melts to form a liquid. जब सॉलिड को गर्म करते हैं तो पार्टिकल्स एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये तेजी से एक दूसरे से टकराते हैं और अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से हटना शुरू हो जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से इसका वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो जाता है. जब सॉलिड को फर्दर हीट करते हैं तो ये और एक्सपैंड होता है और फिर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट पर पहुंच जाता है और ये मेल्ट होके लिक्विड बन जाता है. प्यारे बच्चों, क्या आपको आइसक्रीम पसंद है? आपने कभी नोट किया कि जब आप समर में आइसक्रीम खरीदते हैं तो आपकी आइसक्रीम फिनिश होने से पहले मेल्ट होके लिक्विड बन जाती है, तो इसको मेल्टिंग कहते हैं. ऐसे ही हमारे पास एक और एग्जांपल है चॉकलेट की. आपने नोट किया है कि जब आप चॉकलेट बार बाय करते हैं समर में तो वो भी मेल्ट होके लिक्विड फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाती है. इसको भी मेल्टिंग कहते हैं. So dear students, here is an activity for you on your science textbook page number 74. Now here are words given at the right side of the box. So you have to find out these hidden words from the box and circle them. One is done for you, so you have to circle them like this way. Dear students, now we are going to start our notebook work, so grab your stationery as we use in our school. Dear students, you have to write down this work in a very neat handwriting on the notebooks that has been provided to you in the start of the session. Dear students, before starting our notebook work, first write the index as you were writing in your class. Write serial number 2, write today's date here Write unit number 6, question number 1 till 3. Dear students, now that we have done today's reading, now it's time for your classwork. So get ready, grab your notebook, open your page and prepare your page like this. Write day, date, today's task, topic, unit number 6, matter and changes in its states. Recall questions. Question number 1. Define the term matter. Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. Question number 2. What are the properties of matter? Matter is made up of tiny particles that have spaces between them. These particles keep moving and bumping into each other all the time. Question number 3. Name the 3 states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Dear students, you have to write down this work in a very neat handwriting on the notebook that has been provided to you in the start of the session. Dear students, I hope that you understood each and every point of this lesson. So here is a short assessment for you so that you can assess yourself. So let's see what we have in here. First one is the zigzag motion of particles is called dash. Second, when a substance is heated, its dash gain energy and start dash. Third, Swedish scientist name dash. And the last is at dash a substance remains in its original state. Dear students, try and write down the answers of each one of them within 5 minutes. Dear students, I hope that today's topics are now clear. Now this is time for task to do. So what you have to do is learn highlighted points of page number 68, 69 and 70. Do brain teaser page number 74. Learn and write recall questions 1 till 3 on your notebook. So dear students, after each lesson we have some fun facts for you, which will enhance your knowledge. So today's fun fact is, melting is the opposite of freezing. Dear students, I hope this fun fact will add to your knowledge. Physical fitness. What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is a state of health and well-being, and more specifically, the ability to perform aspects of sports and daily activities. Exercises. These are jumping jacks, running man, swing back. Dear students, you have to do these exercises on daily basis. Dear students, I hope that today's lesson was helpful for you and you have understood each and every point. So I'll see you in my next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.